In this short Teaching with Chatta video, I'm going to show you how you can reorder the frames in a Chatta board. And this really helps with sequencing skills with chronology and strengthens understanding. I'm going to be doing an activity linked to instructions, although this works equally well with the chronology of a story or a historical event. There are lots of applications. So the instructions board is how to make bread. As you're building the board, you'll be using the appropriate language. You might be using sequencing language first, then and next. You might be using the range of verbs, the bossy verbs, the imperative verbs, need, mix, pour, etc. And that gives the class a clear model on what the instructions sound like, what the structure is, what the language is, what the purpose is. Whilst you've got the board on display and your children are engaged, you can mix up the order. There's a pencil icon at the top right of the board. If I click that and then select order, I can slide the images and jumble them up. And that could become an activity you invite the children to come to the front to solve, to move the pictures. They might explain to their partner why it's wrong, but it would also give them a sense of understanding and sequence as they see the board and help put the board back into the right order. So they could come to the front, especially good if you've got an interactive whiteboard, and they could return the tiles to the place which is their position, and the board is back and complete. So that can be applied in lots of ways. If you haven't seen that tool, it's simple to use. Click the pencil at the top right, select order. If you have any questions or suggestions on how you might apply this with your class, or you need any help, I'm always glad to support you. Please add a comment to this video or feel free to get in touch. Thank you for watching.